So we're at the last round of the National Off-Road Series in Bloemfontein. We can't wait to get racing. A massive shout out to the team that has gotten us here, Pepson Plastics, Kawasaki, and to all our other sponsors. Thank you for being on board. Michelin Motorcycle, Renthal Transport, Bikewise, Kawasaki South Africa, and Gilberts Mining and Engineering. We're really excited to get going. Some racing happening in the background, and yeah, we can't wait to send it and finish off strong this season.
Last round of the National Cross Country Series, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Going into the last round, already having the #1 plate, but still excited for the race and just going to go out there, enjoy it and do my best.
Jaycee, last round of the National Cross Country, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling quite excited. Haven't missed a couple of the Nationals, but yeah, I'm here to have a draw, represent on my Pepson Plastic Kawasaki, and here to have fun.
My hair is long, I'm feeling strong, so yeah, we're in for a good day. We're at the last National in Bloem. I'm very excited, there's no pressure on me. I'm obviously going to go out and give it my all. Yeah, definitely I'm feeling good, feeling positive. I'm in a good mood, you know, so I'm going to play wheelies today.
Jayden, last round of the National Cross Country, how are you feeling?
Just very excited and chuffed up. It's been a rough season, tough times, but also very fun. And I'm just very excited, to be honest with you. It's going to be, the whole team's so ready, and we're just going to have such an awesome time at the last National in Bloemfontein.
Heads up guys, Jaycee on his way in on his wheel. These guys have been joined at the hip the whole way through this event.
Go next. Go beyond.
What a day of racing out here in Bloemfontein for the final round of the Cross Country Championship. Solid results all the way around by the Pepson Plastics Kawasaki team. Jaycee bringing it home 6th in hour 1 and Wian bringing it home 3rd in hour 3. At the end, Peter Holl finished 2nd in Masters. He already secured the championship, so a really awesome championship for us to bring home after a long season of racing. Just a massive thanks to Pepson Plastics for making sure we can go racing and putting the whole team together. All the way around, we really had a great day.